Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make oatmeal soap. First, gather your ingredients and tools. You'll need a melt and pour soap base, colloidal oatmeal, and a fragrance oil if desired. Make sure you have a heat-safe bowl, a stirring utensil, and soap molds ready. Having everything prepped makes the process smooth and enjoyable. This simple method is perfect for beginners and yields wonderful, skin-loving soap. Now, let's get to melting and mixing. Cut your melt and pour soap base into small, uniform cubes, about 1 inch each. This helps it melt evenly and quickly. Gently melt the soap base using a microwave in 30-second intervals or a double boiler. Once fully liquid, carefully stir in your colloidal oatmeal and any desired fragrance oil. Mix thoroughly but avoid overstirring to prevent excess bubbles. With your mixture ready, it's time to pour. Carefully transfer the warm liquid soap into your chosen molds. You can use silicone molds for easy removal. If you see any small bubbles on the surface, a quick spritz of rubbing alcohol can help them disappear. Let the soap cool and solidify completely, which usually takes about 2 hours at room temperature. Once firm, gently pop your beautiful new oatmeal soap bars out of their molds. Your homemade oatmeal soap is now ready to use. This gentle soap is fantastic for sensitive skin, offering soothing and mild exfoliating benefits. It's a wonderful way to nourish your skin naturally. Store your finished bars in an airtight container to keep them fresh and extend their shelf life. Remember to check the description below for a link to some amazing darn tough socks and other great deals. Enjoy the satisfaction of using your own handcrafted soap.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.